Physical sciences. Chemistry. What is chemistry? Chemistry is the scientific discipline involved with elements and compounds composed of atoms, molecules and ions, their composition, structure, properties, behavior and the changes they undergo during a reaction with other substances. In the scope of its subject, chemistry occupies an intermediate position between physics and biology. It is sometimes called the central science because it provides a foundation for understanding both basic and applied scientific disciplines at a fundamental level. For example, chemistry explains aspects of plant chemistry, botany, the formation of igneous rocks, geology, how atmospheric ozone is formed, and how environmental pollutants are degraded, ecology, the properties of the soil on the moon, cosmochemistry, how medications work, pharmacology, and how to collect DNA evidence at a crime scene. Forensics. The history of chemistry. The history of chemistry represents a time span from ancient history to the present. By 1000 BC, civilizations used technologies that would eventually form the basis of the various branches of chemistry. Examples include the discovery of fire, extracting metals from ores, making pottery and glazes, fermenting beer and wine, extracting chemicals from plants for medicine and perfume, rendering fat into soap, making glass, and making alloys like bronze. The proto-science of chemistry, alchemy, was unsuccessful in explaining the nature of matter and its transformations. However, by performing experiments and recording the results, alchemists set the stage for modern chemistry. The distinction began to emerge when a clear differentiation was made between chemistry and alchemy by Robert Boyle in his work The Skeptical Chymist, 1661. While both alchemy and chemistry are concerned with matter and its transformations, chemists are seen as applying scientific method to their work. This is all for today's video. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video.